So I made this extended weight in pounds and then changed or added the pounds to this title of this column right here. Notice I got all zeros here. So what I need to do is go back to this equation and so it's not recognizing that anymore because I changed the name of the column. So I'll just switch that and now pick unit weight with pounds. Okay, so now you can see that, you know, the 3-joint link, there's 2 of them that had a unit cost of 20, extended cost of 40. This in the weight of 0.28 pounds. Now the extended weight is 0.56 pounds. So you get the idea. So now we want to be able to add in the overall totals. So again, when in doubt, right click, we'll insert a row below. And we don't want that number there, so when in doubt, right click, and we can select hide item number because it's not going to be another item, it's just going to be a total. And so what we want to do is add up now the extended cost to get the total cost. So if we select that right column right there, and we'll just type in assembly cost and $, and then the keyword, there are some keywords here. So total, that gives you the total. It doesn't matter if you put it in double quotes or not. And then let's go ahead and say we'll have a precision of 2 there. That should do it. Okay. So we have assembly cost, just adds up everything that's in that column. And then over here, we'll go ahead and in this one we'll put in assembly weight. Total will give us the total, and we'll go ahead and give that a precision of 2, and then put in LBS. Oops. Okay, and I'll just stretch this out a little bit more. All right, so at this point we have the item numbers, the part names, the quantities, unit cost, extended cost, and then the total assembly cost, and same thing with the weight. So the beauty of this is if you add parts to your assembly, or you change the number of parts, or say you had bolts and screws or whatever it is, the table will automatically update. If you go into for a particular part, if you change the material, it will automatically update the material as well. So I'm going to, well, the next thing we want to do is put in the balloons. And if you just select this auto balloon button here, you can see that it automatically puts in a bunch of balloons here. A lot of times you still end up wanting to space them out a little bit better, and but it does give you a good start. So you know, for instance, I had it put them on place the arrows on the edge. So an arrow like this, I would rather see that pointing right on the edge, you know, make it look like it's pointing towards the center of mass of the part. And then you don't want these balloons over on top of this, so like this one, you might put this, just rearrange them a little bit better, and zoom in on this, and we'll go ahead and put this on the edge over here, and so on. So you can just reorient the balloons. So again, we want this out on an edge over here. Maybe put this one over here. So you can just clean that up a little bit. All right, so let's see what we have. Yeah, it doesn't look too bad. So you get the idea. Again, the principle of this exercise is just to begin to get the idea of how to actually create the bill of material and whatnot. So I'm going to have to stop here